Ankle joint replacement surgery is performed under sterile conditions in the operating room. It is often performed under general anesthesia, which means you will be asleep and will feel no pain throughout the procedure. Depending on your condition, you may be instead given a spinal anesthesia, where you will be numbed below your waist and will be awake throughout the procedure. Your surgeon will then make a small cut in front of your ankle and expose the ankle joint. Care will be taken to protect tissues and neurovascular structures, and they will be pulled back from the site of the operation using retractors. Your surgeon will then use a bone saw to cut and remove damaged bone and cartilage from the tibia and talus. Under the guidance of C-arm fluoroscopy, live-action X-rays, special surgical instruments are then used to cut the talus and tibia to precisely accommodate the new metal prostheses. The new metal parts of the artificial joint are then appropriately attached to the prepared bony surfaces of the talus and the tibia. Special glue or bone cement may be used to hold them in position. A plastic prosthesis is then inserted between the two metal parts. It acts like an artificial cartilage and prevents the metal parts from rubbing against each other. The tendons and neurovascular structures are then positioned back to their normal anatomical position. In some cases, a plastic tube known as a drain will be placed in the surgical wound to drain any fluid. The surgical wound is then closed with sutures.